Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can tag someone on Twitter. So first of all, let's compose a tweet. In order to tag anybody, simply type in the @ like so, and as you can see it will provide you with possible variants that you might use. Usually it just gives you the list of people you follow or accounts you follow. In here just tap the username of the person that you would like to tag or mention and choose it from the list once you have entered the full username. And that would be it. So once I'll tweet something, let me see my tweet. As you can see, I've pinged some account at this point, and now I can very easily go on it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.